Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to set up the Cowrywise Kids and Nest account. Now, if you want to teach your kids about money without just giving them a lecture, Cowrywise has split this experience for you. You can manage the wealth and they master the habits. Here's how to set up the Nest account and the Kids Learning app. As a parent, you should have downloaded the Cowrywise app. If you don't Cowrywise app, go and check out our video on how to download Cowrywise app. If you have also set up your account, you don't know how to do this, check out our video on how to set up Cowrywise account. So once you've done this, you said investing, you transferred money, and now you want to involve your kid in it. So what you do is you go to kids.cowrywise.com, or you download the separate Cowrywise app right there. When you get there, you're going to see two options, and then you choose the one that's continue as a parent. Once you continue as a parent, what will happen is that you see the option for kids icon or the Nest card on your home dashboard. Enter the child's name and date of birth, choose an amount to start. This money will be invested in low risk mutual fund and stays in your control until they are 18. And then you go back to continue as you go back to the first page that is kids.cowrywise.com, and then you tap on continue as a kid, and then you give it to your kid so they can set it up. They get to create their own username, pick a cool avatar, and a pin. Make sure you keep that closely guarded and safe for them. So once they've done that, the next thing they can now, after the app has been downloaded, go back to your phone, open the app, and then they can now learn about a lot of things like the PS1 card game, because Cowrywise partner with Yellow Cowrywise, so kids can play the PS1 card game inside the app. What the card game does is teach them about trading and value. If they want to trade a card, they'll have to answer a financial quiz correctly. They also have the option for them to learn about investment and everything. You see that under the learning options, they can learn about all that. So there are so many great things they can learn as kids. And you still get to monitor their progress from your own Cowrywise app, because you get a notification whenever they finish a lesson and every time there's a transaction. And once they are 18, you can now hand over this Nest account legally to them. Now your kids can learn while you earn. It's the ultimate 2025 parenting hack for generational wealth. If this helped, hit the like button and let me know what's the first thing you want your kid to learn about.